Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change tips on your headphones Soundcore A25i. You have to start by open the charging case and remove your headphones from the charging case. Now remove the old ear tips. Here we go. And the second one. Yeah. Now select the new ear tip sides. Let's say I want this one and attach it. Here we go, and the second one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!